Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and realizing you made money while you were asleep. Not because you won the lottery, not because someone handed you a fortune, but because your money was quietly working for you all night long. That's the biggest difference between people who stay trapped in the paycheck cycle and people who slowly build real wealth. Most people spend their entire lives working for money. The wealthy spend their lives making money work for them. And here's the surprising part. You don't need millions of dollars to start. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need to be lucky. You simply need to understand a few timeless principles that allow your money to grow instead of sitting still. Today, we're going to explore 10 proven ways to let money work for you. And if you stick around until the end, you'll realize that building wealth has far less to do with earning more and far more to do with making smarter decisions. 1. Pay yourself first. Most people pay everyone else before they pay themselves. Bills, rent, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment. And if there's anything left, they save it. Usually there isn't. Wealthy people reverse this order. The moment money enters their account, they automatically move a percentage into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even 10% consistently invested over many years can become surprisingly powerful because of compound growth. The amount matters far less than the habit. 2. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he actually said it or not, the idea remains true. Imagine planting a single tree. Years later, that tree produces hundreds of seeds. Those seeds grow into more trees. Each new tree creates even more seeds. Money behaves the same way. Your investments earn returns. Then those returns begin earning returns of their own. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to work its magic. Time is often more valuable than the amount you invest. 3. Buy assets instead of liabilities. Many people believe expensive things automatically make them wealthier. A luxury car, designer clothes, the newest phone every year. But many of these things only take money out of your pocket. Assets put money into your pocket. Dividend-paying investments, rental properties, businesses, royalties, digital products. Anything that generates income instead of constant expenses moves you closer to financial freedom. Every dollar spent should answer one question: will this help my future self earn more? 4. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is like balancing your entire life on a single pillar. If that pillar breaks, everything falls. Wealthy people build several sources of income over time: salary, investments, side businesses, online products, rental income, dividends. Not because they need all of them immediately, because every additional stream reduces risk and creates more opportunities for growth. 5. Invest consistently instead of timing the market. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting for the perfect time to invest. They wait for prices to fall. Then they wait even longer. Then fear takes over. Months turn into years. Successful investors understand something important. Nobody consistently predicts the perfect moment. Instead, they invest steadily over long periods. Regular investing removes emotion from the process and allows time to do the heavy lifting. 6. Increase your skills before increasing your lifestyle. Every raise doesn't have to become a bigger house or a more expensive car. Sometimes the smartest investment isn't in the stock market. It's in yourself. Learning valuable skills, communication, sales, programming, marketing, leadership, negotiation. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities appear. Knowledge often produces the highest return on investment. 7. Eliminate high-interest debt. It's difficult for your money to grow, while debt grows even faster. High-interest debt quietly steals your future income. Every payment you make toward expensive debt is like earning a guaranteed return equal to the interest you're avoiding. Before trying to build wealth aggressively, stop the leaks draining your financial bucket. 8. Make your money automatic. Human beings rely too much on motivation, but wealth isn't built through motivation. It's built through systems. Automatic transfers, automatic investments, automatic savings. When good financial decisions happen without requiring daily willpower, consistency becomes much easier. The less emotion involved, the better. 9. Think long-term. Social media rewards instant gratification. Real wealth rewards patience. People often underestimate what can happen in 10 or 20 years. Small investments made consistently may look insignificant today, but decades later, they can completely transform your financial future. The goal isn't getting rich this month. The goal is becoming financially secure for life. 10. Own things that keep working without you. This is where money truly begins working for you. Imagine owning something that continues generating income, whether you're working, traveling, sleeping, or spending time with your family. A profitable business, dividend-producing investments, rental real estate, books, courses, licensing, digital products. These assets don't remove work entirely, but they reduce the direct connection between your time and your income. And that's one of the biggest shifts in wealth building. Here's the truth most people never hear. Money isn't lazy. It works 24 hours a day. The real question is whether it's working for you or against you. Every dollar you spend makes a decision. It can disappear forever, or it can become an employee that keeps bringing back more dollars. Financial freedom doesn't happen because of one lucky investment. It happens because of hundreds of smart decisions repeated over many years. You don't have to change your entire life today. You only have to make one better financial decision than you made yesterday. Because years from now, you won't remember the coffee you skipped or the impulse purchase you avoided. You'll remember the moment you stopped working only for money and finally taught your money to start working for you.